Letter N for Nigel, night owl. Look how pointy his corners are. We've got one straight line and one that slides. And one last straight line. That's uppercase N, sounds like N. And then we have lowercase n. Some of you have this in your name. A line, and it has one hill. Nigel Night Owl has big eyes for seeing at night. N. All right, now, some things that start with N. What is this? Nest. What do you see inside the nest? Who's laying these eggs? Do you think it's a bird? I think you're right. How about this? This is a nut. This looks like maybe, I don't know, is this a walnut? Nut. And this one, nose. Nose. Don't pick your nose. And net. Why would you need a net? Maybe fishing? SpongeBob catches jellyfish with a net. People could catch butterflies, maybe? Net. All right. Let's write N. Uppercase N, remember, is tall, so we're going to start up at the top and do a tall line. We don't start at bottoms and go up. We need to start at the top. We're going to go down, pick up your pencil, go back up to here. I'm going to slide and up. I'm going to do it again. Go down, pick up your pencil, slide, and last line. Looks like a crazy mountain hike, doesn't it? Hike up the mountain and slide down, and hike up the mountain. Then you're just stuck up on the mountain, I guess. All right, how about lowercase n? Can't be tall, it's got to be short. Straight line, bounce back up, and just one hill. Not a very big hike, is it? Let's do that again. Down, go straight back up, and just one hill. How many of you have an N in your name? All right, time for the game. What are we going to play today? It's going to be a listening game. I'm going to use the cards here. I'm going to show you what they are, and then we're going to play the game called What Am I Saying? See if I get my hands in here. You're going to have a beginning, and I'm going to give you the end, and we're going to slap it together, and we're going to try to say what the word is. So listen very carefully. I'm going to show you what these pictures are again. We had a net, nest, nut, nose. All right, so out of those words, which one am I saying? O's, O's, nose. Now let's do it again together. O's, the word is nose. All right, that's how we play the game. Here's another one. Et. 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 Net. And we're going to do it again together. Et. The word is net. Ready? Ut. Listen again. Ut. Ut. Nut. And together. Ut. The word is nut. Have one more. Est, nest. And together, est. The word is nest. All right, we did all of them. That was called blending. You took my different parts of the word and you smushed them back together. Good job. We will see you in the next letter.